Hey, I need a lemon. Can you go get me one, please?
What's that?
I need a lemon. Can you go to the store and get me one?
Yeah, I can go to the store and get you a lemon. Boy, I sure wish we could grow that stuff here. We can grow lemons here. Just so happens I ran across somebody that was doing it. We can? Cool. Name?
Aaron.
We're here with Aaron today. We're going to look at a lemon tree. What kind of lemon is this?
This is a rescue. I think it's a Meyer's lemon, but we're getting in a thing where I think it's a different type of citrus, but I can get into that later. It arrived to me in this little stick, and the guy's like, I think I left it out freezing one night, and it looks dead. So it was just this little stick, and then after like 6 years, I've nursed it to where it last year developed 2 big orbs of citrus, and we made lemon bars from it.
Look at that.
And I expect it, because it's growing, it's really happy now. It's going to probably give us lemons this year. Hopefully, that'll be fun.
So a Meyer's lemon, that is the hybrid between a lemon and an orange, I believe, isn't it? But it's one of the few that are actually like
right, there's some,
fairly cold hardy.
No, these were not.
No?
I believe
Okay.
the Eureka here is the
Eureka.
other one.
Oh, okay.
This one's more cold hardy, but still, I see where there's a predicted frost, or the temperatures are going to get below 35, and then I wheel them all in here, and you can see the lights that go on in shifts. These all come on in shifts,
Okay.
so that I get the extra lighting they need, because, you know, a garage isn't going to
No.
give it anything.
This other lemon here.
Yes, let's show off this one. It's about to bloom.
And look at this. Look at all the fruits on this tree.
And I got it in 2011.
Look at all the lemons. And these are beautiful lemons.
Oh, they get bigger too. It's just that because there's more on the bush, they're going to be a little smaller. But yeah, they can get pretty big.
And this tree looks really healthy too.
Oh yeah, it survives on punishment.
Now, do you have to heat the garage at all for something like that?
This garage will not get below 60.
Okay.
So there's that. And then no, I don't have to do any heating. Any heating comes from extra lights or whatever. But
look at this.
you don't have to have a lot of lights. As you see, these are just, you know, 2 lights.
So when do they ripen up?
Well, it takes about a year for a lemon to ripen. So each of these are different ages of ripe. Some may be too ripe. But what's cool is if you get an overripe lemon and you cut it carefully, they will have sprouted inside. So you can have extra sprouts and you can grow them.
Seriously?
Mm-hmm.
Wow.
And they're sweet enough to eat. You don't have to they're not so bitter like the store lemon.
Yeah?
Yeah, I'll send you home with one or two.
Okay, you're saying this is about ready to bloom too. Oh, look at this. Look at that.
Oh, and the whole garage smells great when
Look at that.
when it blooms. Trying to find it.
Oh, there's another one. Look at that.
Now the thing is, these guys all have thorns. Lots of thorns. Citrus has thorns on them.
Oh yeah.
And they'll stick you. So you gotta be...
I didn't know citrus had thorns. God,
Oh,
that
yeah.
smells so good. Oh man. That is...
Yeah,
Okay, look at that. That is a lemon tree. That is a very productive lemon tree in Washington State. A Eureka lemon. And this one is mostly cold hardy.
I would not ever keep it out if it froze, because it would probably just...
It would probably die then, yeah. It could handle the 40s.
Oh yeah, 40s. And then I'd be thinking about bringing it in, but after the last frost, you can just put it outside, put it under some shade cloth for like a few weeks.
Uh-huh.
And then you just leave it out there and it gets rained on, you don't have to do anything to it. Water it a little bit, put some fertilizer. I do natural citrus fertilizer you can get at most places.
All right, let's do this thing. Fresh lemon. Mmm. It's incredibly juicy. And the skin isn't like, you know, some of these citrus is kind of bitter. It's not bitter at all. Wow. Look at that. I'm making a slob out of myself.
Like, share, and subscribe.